Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to treble up on your yarn. So you're turning one piece of yarn into three, but making this continuous. You'll see what I mean as I go forward. So take the yarn that you want to treble up on and lay it on the table in front of you in this formation. Tail to the right, then loop it across and loop it back. Now with this part of the yarn, you're simply going to loop underneath that bit there so that it crosses over. Hold this all steady, flat with your hand or with the hook, something like that, so it doesn't move. And then simply insert your finger and pull. And essentially, and stretch your arm right out so that you have got this, about this length of yarn. And off you can go. You can start crocheting with your triple thickness. Now I'm going to just do a chain really quickly. Probably could use a very fat crochet hook. I'll just use this one that's handy. So I'm going through, it's really lovely and thick. So this would be like a super bulky, super chunky weight yarn. And I'm going to get, whoops, I'm going to get to the end of my three strands pretty quickly. So catch up with me when I've got there. So when you're about to run out of three, you need to take the single yarn and pop it through the loop. Just so. And then keep pulling. And you can see that we now have another section of three strands. When you come to the fold, you simply crochet over the top of it. And of course, it doesn't show. Let me show you that one more time. Just unravel a little bit more of this lemon coloured yarn. So we've nearly reached the end of our three strands. We take the single strand, loop it, pull it through, pull it down, and there we have our three strands and our lovely chunky chain. So I might make a really chunky pumpkin to match this one. So a big brother for this one. Got some other ones here that I've made, and these took quite a little bit of time, but you'll find them in an upcoming video when we come round to just before Halloween. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.